Prior to release the cover, grab a number 10 socket wrench and remove the existing bolt and screw the aluminum mold instead, then tighten it with an alpha wrench. Install the bottom bracket. Put the bracket on, align the hole with the aluminum rod. After confirming the bracket is on the correct install area, then mark the symbols for further step. Wipe the installation position with adhesion promoter. Peel off the adhesive from the bracket. Align the position and put the bracket on. Make sure to repeatedly press it with force to make it stick firmly. Apply shock-absorbing cotton which needs to be cut yourself to the bracket. Fix it with an 6 long screw and tighten it with an 4 wrench. Note that USB port can be resolved by adjusting aligning the screw. Install upper bracket on passenger side. Take off the handle, grab a number 10 socket wrench and remove the existing bolts and screw the aluminum rod instead. Cut out shock-absorbing cotton and stick it on the upper bracket between the hose roof panel bracket is stuck on passenger side panel bracket. Put handle on the bracket, insert M6 socket bolts plus spring washer plus washer, and then fix it back on the door handle position. Screw it with an L5 wrench. Rotate it by 90 degrees to release the buckle. Grab a number 10 socket wrench and remove the interior existing bolts. Tighten one screw on the storage box by an M4 wrench. Align it with red circle position, ensure it fits well and other holes. Align properly. Wipe the installation position with adhesion promoter. Peel off the adhesive from the bracket. Find the correct position, align one side first then slowly press it in place. Make sure to repeatedly press it with force to make it stick firmly. Put on the screws and tighten it with an M4 wrench. Install the side panel and put on all the screws. Apply shock-absorbing cotton which needs to be cut yourself on the bracket between the holes. Fix it with flat head screw built-in rear bracket and side panel. Insert the M6 socket bolts plus spring washer plus washer and tighten it. Tighten all screws with M4 wrench and tighten M6 socket bolts with M5 wrench. Insert the small front bracket through the hole of the panel. Fix the bracket to the correct position, then put on one screw. Confirm the correct position and mark down the symbol at the corner of the bracket for further step. Wipe the installation position with adhesion promoter. Peel off the adhesive from the bracket. Put the bracket on the correct position, press it with force to make it stick firmly. Tighten the screws with M4 wrench. Wolf manner with good side towards tailgate and high side towards the cab. Apply shock absorbing cotton on the back of roof panel between the holes. Insert one side of the panel, then install the other side. Put the screws on both sides, but do not tighten right away, just the roof panel on both sides upwards to the appropriate position, leaving a gap from the ceiling. Ensure that the distances on both sides are consistent. Tighten the screws at the position of the handles on both sides with an M5 wrench. Then tighten other screws with M4 wrench. 1. Assemble the trunk shelf as shown in the video. 2. Two crossbars double-sided with hoses installed on left and single-sided with hoses on right as video shows. 3. Crossbar single-sided with hose, the side with hose face downwards. Insert the screws. Do not tighten the screws right away. Make sure the screws are in the center position of the hole. For crossbar double-sided with hose, one side with hose face down and the other side with hose face to trunk shelf hose. Ensure the holes are lined up with each other before tighten the screws. Five. Crossbar double-sided with hose, one side with hose face down and the other side with hose face to trunk shelf hose. Ensure the holes are lined up with tighten each other before tighten the screws.